Hi guys, this is Jackson here. A lot of you had asked me what is the update on the PlayStation 4 after an year. Actually, I didn't get a lot of time since last year to make a new video to give the updates about the device. So since today I got some time, I am making this video. So I have powered on the PlayStation and I connected it to my internet connection. Also, I've connected it to a different TV this time. I upgraded my TV, so I'm connecting it to that. The controller had not been charged for a long time, so that's why I'm connecting it so that it gets charged a little bit. Other than that, I had made sure that there is no damage to the device while transporting, because I moved to a new place, so I ensured that is happening. So if you see, it booted properly, there is no issue as such till now. The last I played it is, I think, in January of this year, something like that. After that I had packed it and I had kept it, so to be honest I have not played it a lot after that. So this is like after around 7 to 8 months I'm playing this device. So I'll just I have connected it to the internet. I'll just show you whether it is connected it is connected to the internet or not. So I've just connected to the internet and I'll just show you that connection. I'll just test the connection and I'll show you the details. So I have a 20 Mbps internet connection, and if you see here, it is connecting properly to the internet. Means that the network hardware of this device is still working properly. There is no issue as such. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's try playing a game. So I have this Horizon game already connected. I've put the disk inside this. So let's just connect and see. Okay, so the game has loaded. I'll continue to play this for some time to make sure that there is no issue in the device and that it is working as usual. Okay, so I've started a new game because I think I had deleted my last game file last time. So this is how it is playing. I've been using it for around 5 to 10 minutes now. There's no issue as such that I've observed till now. I'll just check the temperature of the device, if it is hot or anything. So this is normal hot. There is no much issue as such. Also the fan movement is normal. I don't feel any hard sound or anything as such. So I think that is what sums up this review. I actually wanted to play this in a proper setup when I have time, but since a lot of people had actually called me also, so that's why I'm making this video. You had actually asked me that the power cord that you get from game loot, that is normally of this type. If you see, I don't know what type this is, whether European or something like that. So to use it on a normal Indian plug like this, what you have to do is you have to buy an adapter from the market. This kind of adapter you will get, or you can buy the complete power cord itself. If you see, it is a removable power cord. 1 second. Like this. So on one end it will be the same end, and the second end, that is the main plug, that will be of the Indian type. But just make sure that the voltage and all the other units are same in whatever power cable you are buying. So it will be mentioned on the wire at least. I'm not sure if you are able to see it here. All power cords normally mention the amount of power that they are consuming in voltage and ampere. So make sure that you buy a similar cord which has the same power range. Or other than that, what you can do is you can buy this adapter. So it will directly connect to this plug here, and just make sure that this adapter also has the same voltage range. So if you see here, it has a 6 ampere 240 voltage range, which I think works properly because I just used it on my PlayStation. So you just have to plug the cord into the adapter like this, and once it is fitted properly like this, you can connect it directly into the wall plug like this. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comments. I'll try to solve them as much as possible. Thank you.